friends in PopMass, welcome back to my video. In today's video, I want to show you how to withdraw in PopMass. You may be watching the video on this thumbnail, or maybe you are watching it on this thumbnail as well. It is still the same video, just showing you how to withdraw your profit from PopMass if you have made enough profit to withdraw. Okay, now remember, the minimum to withdraw is 100 ppt. That's what you can withdraw as minimum. All right, so I am going to dive right in and show you how you are going to be able to withdraw in this platform. Now remember, I have about 2 accounts. This is just one of them. So this account is one of the smallest one that I have, and I want to use it as a demo to show you how to withdraw. So very quickly, I'm going to navigate to income. You go to income, you will see your total money there. Okay, you will see that this is 100. Okay, $100. And what you then need to do is you click on transfer to assets balance. So click transfer to asset balance, and then you click max. When you click max, you will notice that it has populated that bit with your $100 that you want to withdraw. And you will also notice that on here where it says available, you will see where it says minimum 1p USD, and then the fee is 10%. So I am paying 10% for withdrawing $100. So that means I am going to get about $90 in my trust wallet, because I use my trust wallet for this platform. So I am going to slide this back. Okay, slide it, and then it says transfer successful, deposited to assets account. Okay, and you will see that it is 90 PUSD. Now remember, the PUSD is equivalent to $1, just so you know. Okay, but that is what we get paid for in this platform. So now the money is in my assets. I will now click on assets, and when I click on asset, you will see the total asset there. Okay, now when you click on asset, you have about 4 options here. So you can deposit, you can sell your crypto on the over-the-counter crypto exchange, or you can swap it. So once you are here on your asset, the next thing you have to do is you have to swap it, your PUSD for PPT. Okay, so I'm going to click on swap, and I'm going to click max, and then you will see that it has populated my PUSD, which is the $90 PUSD is here after the deduction of 10% from the 100 PUSD that I want to withdraw. And then you will notice here as well that it has converted it to 217 ppt. Now remember, the minimum to withdraw is 100 ppt, but I am withdrawing over 100 ppt, and you can see that the ppt value is changing because it is according to the market value at the moment. So I am going to slide this swap button from left to right, and then it says swap successful, right? And then I'm going to now go back again to my assets, and I'm going to say withdraw. Okay, and then you enter the maximum amount of your PPT, which is 216. Okay, and then you will notice that is withdrawing to that wallet. Okay, so you now slide that button from left to right, like so. It will now connect to your trust wallet. It will now ask you to approve, and it will tell you the cost that it's going to cost you for transaction fee. Click approve, and then enter your password again, and then that money is supposed to go straight into my trust wallet in a minute. So there you go, withdrawal successful, 216 ppt. So now if I navigate back to my trust wallet just to see the money, that the money is there, and then go to home, and then if I go into my PPT, so there you go, you can see that I have my 216 PPT in my wallet. Okay, now You can keep this PPT and allow the market price to appreciate. Okay, so you can hold it if you want. If you don't want to hold it, you just click on swap. So this will now swap it from PPT to USDT and you can withdraw it. So for example, I can swap to BNB and withdraw BNB, or I can swap to USDT here. Okay, so if I select USDT, I can swap to USDT BEP20. Okay, and then I'm going to click max. Okay, and then it will tell you how much you are going to get in USDT. So you will see that at today's current rate of PPT, I am going to get $88. So what I will then do is I will click continue, and then I will click approve. And then I'm going to click confirm swap. And then it's going to say processing. Okay. And you can exit this processing, okay, page, or you can just click on transaction details. Okay. And you will see that the status is pending. It's now converting your PPT to USDT inside your wallet. So if I go back one touch, you will see that the PPT is gone. Okay, so I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to go to my USDT BEP20. Click on my USDT BEP20, and then voila, you will see that the money is here now. Okay, so this is how to withdraw from PopMax, okay, directly into your Trust wallet, and you are able to also convert your PPT into your USDT. So this is a full video on how to do everything, okay, from you withdrawing from your PopMax account to you swapping your PPT for USDT, and you can withdraw your USDT from your Trust wallet to any exchange that you want. Okay, so guys, PopMax is working perfectly okay. For those of you that are interested in joining PopMax, the link to do so is below this video description. Please follow the link and read all the instructions, all the steps that I have stated out. If you do so, you will not miss to join this platform, and you will be able to join successfully. Okay. However, if you have any issues joining, please contact me on my Facebook Messenger, my Telegram, or my WhatsApp. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you.